These 10 medicinal properties of mango leaves will amaze you if you want to know how mango leaves are beneficial for your health. It has plenty of health benefits than you thought. Mango is the king of fruits. It is the favorite of all, both in its ripe and unripe forms. But here we are not going to discuss about mangoes, instead we will discuss about mango leaves. Listed here are medicinal properties of mango leaves, which you must have a look at. There are many studies which prove that mango leaves have many medicinal properties. But how many of you know the health benefits of mango leaves and the medicinal properties of mango leaves? The fleshy, shiny and sharp-tipped mango leaves are great reservoirs of healthy nutrients. They are powered with many vitamins, enzymes, antioxidants, flavonoid components and antimicrobials. The medicinal properties of mango leaves can be used to ward off health issues by boiling or powdering it. In some parts of the world, the tender mango leaves are cooked and eaten. So, have a look into the 10 medicinal properties of mango leaves. 1. Lowers blood pressure. With hypotensive properties, mango leaves aid in lowering blood pressure and also in strengthening the fragile blood vessels that cause hypertension. Experts recommend 1 cup of mango leaves tea daily to reduce hypertension. 2. Treat uric acid-based disorders. Mango leaves are an effective remedy to treat gout. Take some tender mango leaves and boil them in water till they turn yellow in color. Drink this water on a daily basis to avail the medicinal properties of mango leaves. 3. Can treat respiratory issues. Almost all kinds of respiratory problems can be cured or reduced with an intake of mango leaves tea. Those who are suffering from cold, bronchitis and asthma can find a great relief by drinking the water that has been boiled with mango leaves. 4. Treat diabetes. Yes, mango leaves are the best options to treat diabetes. The leaves contain tannins and anthocyanin that help in treating diabetes. Mango leaf tea is said to be the best remedy to avoid diabetes and also vascular-related problems. 5. Cures earaches. Do you suffer from earaches or pain? Then one of the effective home remedies is to use the juice of mango leaves. Slightly heat it and then use it as an ear drop. It works wonders. 6. Heals burns. Burns can be treated instantly with the help of mango leaves. The burns on the skin can be healed by the ashes of mango leaves. Just burn some leaves and rub them on the burns in the form of ashes. 7. Treats stress. People who are restless or anxious can get relief with mango leaves tea. Drink 2 or 3 cups of mango leaves tea and see the difference. This will relax your nervous system and you will feel refreshed. 8. Treats kidney stones. Dry the mango leaves, grind them, and mix this with water and drink it up first thing in the morning. Kidney stones will get flushed out naturally with this simple effective remedy. 9. Cure sore throat. Sore throat or any other problem related to throat can be cured with the help of mango leaves. Here is a quick and easy home remedy. Burn a few mango leaves and inhale the smoke that comes out. And that will take care of your sore throat issue. 10. To help maintain dental hygiene. With mango leaves you can get rid of the foul smell from your mouth, and it also treats unhealthy gums and teeth. This is due to the medicinal properties that are present in mango leaves. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a good day.